Well, let's start with what the federal government is doing. Let me say we need to do so much more. There needs to be a federal ban on assault weapons. That's something that I advocated when I was with the president not that long ago, and have talked to him on periodic occasions about that. And I think he's trying to take the steps that he can take as chief executive to reduce gun violence across the country. With regard to the cases that are coming up in the federal courts, I'm not a constitutional law expert. I mean, as you know, I'm an attorney, but I think I took 2 courses in constitutional law during my 3 years as a student in law school, and so I wouldn't deign to offer a more expert opinion than I think the ones that you've heard, but I am confident that the federal courts and the Supreme Court can and should find that the assault weapons ban that we passed in the state of Illinois is constitutional. I think it follows the requirements of the cases that have been decided previously, so it seems like that should be the future of this, that it's found constitutional. Well, my hope is that good people get elected to public office. That's why I think you would contribute, or anybody else in this room would contribute to somebody. I would also point out that, unlike what some people are putting forward among the right wing, the truth of the matter is that my name is on these suits because I am an official representative of the state of Illinois. When I became governor, there were suits that were outstanding, and Rauner's name was removed from those suits, and my name was put on them. It had nothing to do with me specifically, just the fact that I happened to be governor at that time and this time. So the conflicts that have been alleged are just false. And I'm must say that I think people who run for judge do it for the right reasons, and I think that people who give to candidates for judge do it for the right reasons, and judges ultimately are required to make their independent decisions about the cases, and I think that's what judges that any of us support should do, and I hope will do.